Hello, I'm going to show you how to make a pom-pom. All you need is a scissor and yarn. Your hand will be the tool. I'm making mine with two colors. Start by wrapping the yarn around the palm of your hand. Be generous in the amount of yarn. It would be better to overwrap rather than underwrap. When you're ready for the next color, wrap it in the same way. You can stop wrapping once the yarn creates a hump on your hand. Slide the yarn off your hand. Cut the end of the yarn. Cut a long piece of yarn and tie it around. Then either cut the ends or leave them if you want your pom-pom to have long strings for hanging it. Now cut the loops around the edges and you'll have a very fluffy pom-pom. Time for the fun part, trimming it. Trim less for a shaggy look or more for a neater look. And there it is. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching, and please remember to like and subscribe.